Apple has announced a virtual launch event for October titled Unleashed. The event will be streamed live at 10:30 p.m. IST on October 18th and can be viewed on Apple's website or YouTube. According to rumors, the event may see the launch of the new 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro models, powered by the new speculated Apple M1X chipset, a higher performance variant of the Apple M1. The laptops may also see the return of an HDMI port and do away with the touch bar for a row of function keys. A Mac Mini model with the updated chipset is also expected to be announced. The event could also see the launch of third-generation AirPods, which may be designed like the current AirPod Pros. A report by Bloomberg News states that Apple may have to cut production for the iPhone 13 series by 10 million units due to the global chip shortage. Apple had projected manufacturing 90 million units for the iPhone 13 series by the end of 2021, but now the company may not reach its target due to chip supply concerns. Apple has also faced difficulties in manufacturing Macs and iPads due to the shortage. However, market research firm Counterpoint told Bloomberg that iPhone 13 series sales continue to be higher than that of the iPhone 12, and that the firm is not changing its sales estimate of 85 million to 90 million units sold for this year. The Realme GT Neo 2 smartphone has been launched in India. Powered by the Snapdragon 870 chipset, the phone features a 6.62-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It comes with up to 12GB RAM and up to 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. For optics, there's a 64-megapixel triple rear camera setup at the back, along with a 16-megapixel front camera. Realme has packed in a 5000 mAh battery with 65-watt fast charging support. The Realme GT Neo 2 is priced starting at Rs 31,999 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant and will be available from Flipkart, Realme.com and retail stores starting October 17th. Realme have launched the Realme 4K Smart Google TV Stick in India. This is the first streaming device from Realme which runs on the latest Google TV interface. The stick can stream 4K resolution at up to 60 FPS and supports HDMI 2.1 and HDR10+. It also comes with Google Assistant support and has many streaming platforms built in. The Realme 4K Smart Google TV Stick is priced at Rs 3,999 but will be available for a festive sale price of Rs 2,999.